Okay, man. Let's
die.
Well, it's Tiveden and we're going far. Yearnings. That is a tongue twister for foreigners.
Mm-hmm.
And then I came here and saw, well, I can actually see the path and everything.
Yep.
Well, this cannot be that far. I mean, 3.4 to Vita Sand. Well, it's 13 kilometers.
Yep. In deep snow.
In deep snow. I loved it last time, and I will love it this time. Hej sweetie. Ja. Lilla Kungsleden.
Mm-hmm.
Little King's Trail. How small was the king?
A nice little sound of waves hitting
Yeah.
hitting the shore.
But mostly it is like these kind of paths.
Yep. I even think it's too warm to have my hat on.
Yeah, I know. I will pick it off in a bit.
Well, it is quite warm already. It's like 10 Celsius, 11, something like that.
But the sun is actually quite warm.
Yes, and since we have sun right now, it's nice.
Well, I can feel that it's heavier because my steps are heavier.
Everything is heavier. Yeah, this is going to punish my back, lower back and shoulders.
Oh yes.
Something I can feel it right now.
Oh yes. I know. But I'm gonna enjoy it anyway.
Oh yes.
This is nice. This is actually really nice.
Oh yes.
White lichen. Reindeer food, but no reindeers. A little wind.
Yeah, it's nice with winds as long as it's not chilly. Except for when we're sitting still. Then the wind can go away.
We are going up to one hill, I think it's the... I have no idea what that is in English. Kolmila.
Oh yeah, there is a word for it.
Yeah, I know.
She's shedding skin. She's a lizard.
She's shedding her fur. Not skin, hopefully.
I know. But it's more fun to say she's shedding skin.
Yeah. Aamu is speeding up.
Aamu speeding up?
Yes.
Yep. But that's typical for her though. That's what she usually does.
Yes. Now I wonder, since we actually have trained, how this will feel. It's a nice lake.
It is a nice lake. The only thing missing is the smell of salt water.
Well, we keep the tempo we want to, and we walk as long as we want to, and we take pauses when we want to.
To which Aamu says, "Oh, really now?"
Here. Here is the path that is leading down into the water.
Yeah, it's going to be difficult to follow that particular path.
Well, last time she did.
Into the water?
No, it was ice.
Oh yeah, of course.
She went on the ice and I did not.
I haven't trusted ice in Sweden since 1980. Honestly.
I've been on a lot of ice since 1980, so I can't say that. I think I'm on to this.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to swim. It's kind of rocky. I'm just enjoying this. And the interesting part is that a lot of the things we're going to, I've never been.
Yep.
Oh, Aamu, do you remember this? You wondered where to go. So it was after this fallen tree here. What do you see now?
Water.
You know, Aamu, you are in the threat of rolling down into water, right? So yes. What has rolled there, Aamu?
In a few minutes,
Yeah, of course. Not apart from. Also, she hasn't asked for treats. Once yet.
Nope.
And this is kind of these forests I really enjoy. Okay. I think this is the Polmila.
Oh yeah, right.
Charcoal stack remains. Yeah.
Yes, it remains.
Yeah. Here-ish. But here in Bergslagen was a lot of charcoal stacks.
Yeah.
And here I got lost.
Okay.
When I walked up here.
I can see why.
I had no idea where the trail went when I came up. So the first hill, not biggie, but it actually goes steeper down. Rolling. What did you find now? Oh, here it was. I went straight ahead.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I missed that one.
Yeah.
Oh, there is a cottage there.
There is what?
A cottage.
Oh,
I didn't see that one.
There is?
Oh, yeah. This one I remember because it was kind of slippery. Kinda. Aamu chooses the way. Not the right way, but it's a way. Nice.
Dive in with all the gear.
Nope. So soon we will actually have something taper off to the left. Ducks. No, it's not ducks. Loom. That is loom. Hey. Oh.
Is it the first treat?
Yes.
First treat of the day.
Hey, sweetie. This is nice. This
Good spot for
Aamu is really saying to us now.
photo op.
That is a rare occurrence. Aamu posing.
Yeah.
Why don't you build a house on one of them? It would be the entire...
I don't think I would want to.
We stopped. Yeah. I would have thought that we had the other trail coming here. That was my thought. But I was wrong. Yeah, I know, but no. No. Yeah. Are we having a disagreement again? I think she's actually getting warm as well.
Yep.
But I have to actually look a little because it's nice.
Oh yeah.
It's so easy to just focus now. So you see here's much more cliff. Much more cliffs than. We got actually here.
I see a bathroom.
Yes. Käringaudden. But I wonder where the actual trail to that cave system was.
Oh yeah. Because that's the place we're going to after we've eaten, right?
Yeah. Actually, it goes over the cliffs there.
Yeah.
If you look over that side, you have like similar cliffs.
Yeah.
They actually have ropes there.
Nice.
Look at it.
Yeah. That lonely little tree at the end.
Yeah. I can stand here, you cannot. I am stronger than you.
Yeah.
You thought we were taking a break.
She thought wrong.
Yeah, but she thought that. It was a perfect place to have a break on. So there you have Vita Sand.
Yeah. There's actually sand there.
Yes.
A proper beach.
Yes.
That's not what I would have expected to find here.
No.
An actual sand beach.
No, it's very rare.
I mean,
Not anymore, because people actually bring sand. You don't want to go to the caves?
I want to go benches first. We should eat at the benches, right?
Yeah. Then we can go to Vitsandsgrottorna the other way,
Yeah.
from the other direction. 400 meters.
Yeah. Let's do it.
It is eating grass.
Aamu. Chop chop.
Grass.
Aamu.
Tasty. Yeah, Aamu. You don't have to go the most difficult road. You can go here. Hello. I don't have a stick. You want a stick? But it's shallow, Aamu. That is a log, Aamu.
I like those rocks out there.
Yeah.
They look very well placed.
The seagull is also liking it. Let's see.
Yeah. Spy bird.
Yeah. And now we come to this part. This I like. They have this platform they built. Do you want to sit on the beach?
Yeah. There's shade there.
You want shade?
Yeah, there's shade there.
I want sun.
Or over there.
Well, the sun came. Now it's actually feeling better. So I adjusted the straps.
Did she almost dunk her head into the water?
Yes.
That looked funny, Aamu.
Aamu,
Aamu.
sweetie, we are going that way. Vitsandsgrottorna. White sand caves.
Up that way?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, I see what they did here.
Yeah.
Interesting choice.
No, a lot of trees fell at the same time. But it's actually quite nice with this.
Yep.
This was really, really good.
Removing the hoodie was a...
Wow.
Need to back up.
Yeah.
Because that's a big boulder.
That's a big boulder. Aamu? Sweetie? Why do you look so sad?